Somewhere in the flatlands of China, a machine is harvesting grain without a single human hand on the wheel. It's part of a farming system so advanced, so unbelievably efficient, that it helps produce 1.9 billion tons of food every year. And thousands of miles away in Japan, companies are paying billions of dollars just to get a piece of it. This isn't science fiction. This is modern farming. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how the money, the machines, and the food all connect. China isn't just the world's most populous country. It's become one of the most technologically aggressive farming nations on Earth. Over the past decade, massive investment in automation, AI, and precision agriculture has turned traditional farmland into something closer to a factory floor. And Japan, a country with limited arable land and a shrinking farm workforce, has found a lifeline in that technology, importing systems, forming partnerships, and profiting from the efficiency China has engineered. In the next 10 minutes, we're breaking down the exact tools driving this billion-dollar relationship: the machines, the software, the smart infrastructure, and how each one turns into real profit. Stick around because tool number 4 is the one most people have never even heard of. The first piece of this puzzle is autonomous harvesting. Modern Chinese agribusinesses operate fleets of driverless combine harvesters, guided by GPS and onboard AI that can detect crop density, adjust cutting height in real time, and work through the night without rest. A single fleet can cover thousands of acres in days instead of weeks. For Japanese agricultural firms, licensing or importing this technology solves a critical problem: a farming workforce that's aging fast, with too few young workers replacing it. Instead of hiring labor that doesn't exist, they buy the machine that never sleeps. That's not just convenience. That's survival, and it's worth billions in labor costs saved every single year. Second is the smart greenhouse. Climate-controlled growing environments where AI manages temperature, humidity, light, and nutrients down to the smallest detail. These systems can increase yields several times over compared to open-field farming, while using a fraction of the water and land. Japan, with some of the most expensive and limited land on Earth, has leaned hard into this model. Instead of expanding outward, Japanese investors are importing the greenhouse technology and software systems developed and refined at scale in China, cutting years off development time and getting straight to production. Third, drone fleets. Agricultural drones now handle spraying, seeding, and crop health monitoring across enormous stretches of farmland, using multispectral cameras to spot disease or nutrient deficiency before it's visible to the human eye. China's drone manufacturers have scaled this technology faster and cheaper than almost anywhere else in the world. Japanese distributors buy in bulk, resell into their own domestic market, and license the software behind it, turning a hardware purchase into a recurring revenue stream. Tool number 4 is the one most people overlook: smart irrigation. Thousands of underground soil sensors track moisture, pH, and nutrient levels in real time, feeding data into a system that decides exactly when and where to water. It sounds simple, but at scale, it can cut water usage dramatically while boosting yield. This is the quiet infrastructure Japan has been buying into. Not the flashy machine you see in a highlight reel, but the invisible network that makes every other piece of technology on this list actually work. Finally, once the crops are harvested, robotic sorting and packaging lines take over, using computer vision to sort produce by size, ripeness, and quality faster than any human crew could. For export-heavy operations, this is where profit is actually locked in. Perfectly graded, perfectly packaged product means fewer rejected shipments and higher prices at the other end. Japanese import companies rely on this level of precision to meet their own strict quality standards, which is exactly why they keep coming back to Chinese-built systems. Put all 5 of these together: autonomous harvesters, smart greenhouses, drone fleets, sensor-driven irrigation, and robotic packaging, and you get a farming system capable of producing at a scale most of the world can't match. China's total grain output now sits near that staggering 1.9 billion ton mark annually. Japan doesn't need to match that scale to profit from it. It just needs to plug into the technology, the equipment, and the trade relationships behind it. That's the entire billion-dollar formula. So next time you hear a country is making billions from farming, remember, it's rarely just about the land. It's about the technology working underneath it. If you enjoyed seeing how this all connects, hit subscribe because we're breaking down the biggest farming and engineering innovations on Earth every single week. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one, and let me know in the comments. Which of these 5 tools surprised you the most?
Subscribe to my channel.